Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can remove this black trim, yeah, from this Volvo xc40 from 2019. Okay, first of all we're gonna need a plastic trim removing tool, yeah, because if we're gonna use the metal trim removing tool we're gonna damage the paint, yeah, so we don't want that. Maybe you're gonna want to make an upgrade to chrome or stuff, yeah, or you just want to spray this side and you don't want to blend this panel as well. So what we're gonna have to do, take the trim removing tool, just bring it here on this corner and just turn like that, yeah, okay, and just you just have to go all the way till like in the front of the car. Let's see, for me it's a new car, right? So you have to bear with me because even myself I don't know how to remove this trim, so we're gonna learn today together. Okay, I'm gonna put this tool like that, and let's try one more time. Just easily, yeah, easily, just like I told you, insert the tool like that and turn, like turn in which side you want, left, right, doesn't matter, just turn, because the trim is inside here. Okay, as you can see, pop out. We can move on. Whoop. Okay, I think now it's okay. And job done, yeah. So guys, this is the way how you remove this trim from the front door from this Volvo xc40 from 2019. If you like the video, you can give me one like. If you're not subscribed yet, you can go and do so. And if you want to help the channel, you can go to my website snstuning.co and buy some stuff for you, for your friends, or for your garage. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next one.